Hey, hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to cook some minced meat sauce ramen. You can see the ramen is cooking there, and then here I'll prepare the minced meat sauce. Okay, here goes. Okay, so here I've popped the onions, cut onions, and some sesame oil to let them saute it for a while. So added in the garlic. Again, I'll saute it. Let them cook for a while. Make sure it's slightly golden brown to bring out the fragrance. And you can see the garlic and onion browning, looking very nice. Now I've added in the dried mushrooms, so they'll just all go into the pan to bring out the flavors. Okay, so there you go, the minced meat is in. Now to get this cooked. Okay, meanwhile my ramen is cooking in the background. I like it ultra soft, so I'm just going to let it cook there for a bit longer. Okay, this is the minced meat mixing in together with the onions, garlic, and the dried mushroom. Okay, so I added some water, and you can see the dark soy sauce, so this will color the sauce, make it dark, so there's a nice sheen to the food. Okay, let it cook a while, so the sauce can get into the mushrooms. Look at it, very nice. Okay, the sauce is drying up. I'm going to add starch water to thicken it. Okay, so let it simmer, and then the sauce will thicken. Okay, the sauce is nice, black and thick now, and my ramen is here. So I'm going to attempt to pour this over now. Okay, looking great. This is my minced meat ramen. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you have a good day.